Hi everyone. Welcome to LogicTechHub. In today's video, we're diving into an essential topic for every database user: SQL database backups. Whether you're managing a small application or a large enterprise system, backups are your safety net against unexpected data loss. I'll guide you through a step-by-step process to back up your database. So, if you want to keep your data safe and sound, stick around, and let's get started. The first step is to connect to your database server. Once connected, navigate to the Databases section in the Object Explorer. From the drop-down, select the database you want to back up. Right-click on the selected database, hover over Tasks, and then click on Backup. This will open the Database Backup dialog box. Now, let's set the path where you want to save your backup file. In the dialog box, look for the Backup Destination section. Click on Remove to clear any default paths. Then, click Add and browse to the directory where you want to save the file. Choose your folder, give your backup file a name, and don't forget to add the .boc extension. This extension tells us it's a backup file. Once you've selected the directory and named your file, click OK. Here you'll see the file path updated in the dialog box. Now, click OK again to start the backup process. You'll see a message saying, "Backup of database completed successfully." Click OK to close this message. Finally, go to the directory you selected and check for your backup file. Here it is, the .boc file. Your database backup is now complete. And that's it. Backing up your database is a simple but critical task to ensure your data is always protected. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching LogicTechHub. See you in the next video.